In our previous video, we learned how to read big numbers and how to use them to tell dates. Today, we're gonna show you how to use numbers to tell the time. Hello everybody, this is Daniel and welcome back to Spanish 55. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is how to ask, what time is it? Well, in Spanish, we say, ¿Qué hora es? And how do we answer that question? We follow a very simple structure. We say, son las, followed by the number of hours, and then the number of minutes. Simple, huh? Here are some examples. Son las 2:15. Son las 4:30. Now, there's only one exception to this structure, and that's when the clock shows 1. For this hour, we'll use a different structure. Es la una. This is actually the same structure, but in singular instead of using plural. To say that it's 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we use the ending en punto. Son las 12 en punto. Son las 3 en punto. Son las 10 en punto. Another way to tell the time is using fractions of an hour. For this, you're going to use the same formula, son las, followed by the hour and a special ending. For a quarter past an hour, you'll use y cuarto. Son las 3:15. Son las 5:15. When it's half past an hour, you'll use y media. Son las 3:30. Son las 5:30. Now, to express time before the next hour, you'll use a different sentence. Son fraction or minutes para las, and then you'll mention the next hour like this. Son cuarto para las 3. Son 20 para las 7. Son 10 para las 9. Finally, let's talk about some cultural aspects. In casual conversations, Spanish speakers usually use a 12-hour clock. For example, me levanto a las 6 de la mañana, llego a casa a las 6 de la tarde. But you can still see a 24-hour clock being used in schedules or formal appointments. For example, el autobús sale a las 13 horas. Now, there are some phrases that Spanish speakers use regarding time, like a tiempo, on time, temprano, early, tarde, late. And that's it. Now, you know how to tell the time in Spanish. With a little practice, you'll be able to talk about your daily routine or make plans confidently. But if you're looking for some personalized assistance, then check out Spanish55.com. Your first consultation is completely free. You'll find the link in the description box below. And don't forget to check our podcast, Conquering Spanish, for some tips, tricks, and insights. It may be the perfect companion in your learning journey. Thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima.